equal to 1. Okay? That's why you cannot represent by conic delta, like I mentioned before on these rectangular coordinates. Now it's clear. You see, this point here, I have x. This point on the floor, let's put on Q, see, Q, I call y. Obviously, x is equal rho cosine of theta. Y is equal rho sine of theta. See, this is y, that's the opposite, the angle opposite. This is a rectangle, triangle. This is the hypotenuse, and it's clear. And z is equal z. See, because z is the coordinate which belongs to the cylindrical coordinates and the rectangular coordinate. See, that's why I use that. So I could write here, okay, x, y, I could put here, z is equal z, okay, the sign. Then I can represent the position vector, okay, in terms of the cylindrical coordinates. Okay, it's clear. I quit here, I'll continue, okay, just for you.